All right, today we're going to talk about GDX. We do have a trade set up here, and actually it has already triggered. So one of the things that I was looking at here is that in the bigger picture, you have a potential much higher target off of the low that was made here in November. That would come in at the 32.32 area. And as far as off of the support that we're looking at now, either 27.99 to 28 even, or 27.46 to 77. As long as we hold above one of those zones, I'm fine with looking at buy triggers. I'll consider myself wrong if we break underneath this area. Okay, so we have hit and held on top of the first area, and then the potential target, if we continue to hold above here, is going to be 30.38 and then 31.03. Now, we have already triggered. I'll show you an example of the trigger here on the 15-minute chart. Here, you both took out a prior swing high, and you had the 834 EMA crossover here. So that is a signal. Now, a lot of times you kind of miss the initial trigger. You can always look at the pullback. Okay, and let me show you something that what I like to do. After an initial trigger, what I do is I run the retracement of the prior swing, and then I'll also run the symmetry and see if that gives me a more specific area as far as you know, a secondary entry. And check this out. I mean, this swing here is almost similar to this swing here, because that projected 28.26 and we were just a little bit short of that. So anyway, as long as we hold above one of those daily zones in GDX, I am looking at taking the buy triggers and looking for higher prices. And you know where I'm wrong. Have a great weekend.